It's the magic of math here, and today we're going to be simplifying algebraic expressions by combining like terms and applying the distributive property to identify their simplest form expression. Here we go. Our problem today asks us to drag and drop each expression into the box that contains an equivalent expression. So we have 4 algebraic expressions that are not in simplest form. Each one of them has parentheses. And we cannot have parentheses if it's in simplest form. And then I can see I have 4 algebraic expressions all in simplest form, no parentheses and no like terms. So here's where I'd like you to pause the video, determine which matches which, and then come back to see my work. Good luck. Welcome back. So we're going to start by looking at our first expression, clearing our workspace just to focus on this first one. And I need to rewrite this without using parentheses. So I know that there's no factor here. It's a positive 1 out here. So everything inside is going to be the same. So I'm going to rewrite it as repeated addition. 3x, add 5x, and rewrite subtract 2 to add the opposite. So instead of subtract 2, add negative 2. Now I have my variable terms and my constant term. So 3x plus 5x is going to be 8x, and then I just have my one constant term of negative 2. So combine variable terms, I get 8x, and then add negative 2 is the same as subtract 2. So I can see that the equivalent expression is 8x subtract 2. I'm going to drag and drop that expression here. Now let's go back to our workspace. We have 3 expressions left to match up. So let's look at our second. Clearing our workspace, we have 2 multiplied, there's an invisible multiplication there, multiplied by the quantity, negative 4x, add 1. So here I want to apply the distributive property. We're going to multiply each term inside by 2. 2 multiplied by negative 4x is negative 8x, and then 2 multiplied by positive 1 is positive 2. So negative 8x add 2 is the same expression but in simplest form, and I can see that that matches this answer choice. So we're going to drag and drop that expression in. So these are equivalent expressions in simplest form here. All right, let's move on to our third. We have negative 4x multiplied by 2x subtract 1. Again, I have parentheses, so I'm going to use the distributive property to write this in simplest form. I'm going to multiply negative 4 to each term inside. Negative 4 multiplied by 2x is negative 8x. Negative 4 multiplied negative 1 is going to give me positive 4. I can see that that matches up to this expression in simplest form. We're going to drag and drop. And we have our fourth expression not in simplest form. I want to do the work out to make sure I haven't made a mistake and that it does indeed match. I don't want to just assume. So here I see I have parentheses. I want to apply the distributive property. So negative 4 multiplied by negative 2x is going to give me positive 8x. Negative 4 multiplied by positive 1 is going to give me negative 4. 8x subtract 4 is my equivalent expression, and I'm going to drag and drop into that box. So there you have it. There is our ways that we are going to simplify by combining like terms and distributing to clear the parentheses and write these terms in simplest form. Thanks for joining me today at The Magic of Math, where we continue to master math one video at a time. Have a great day, and I hope you come back soon.